Best stereo amplifiers with subwoofer output. If you want better sound at home, adding a stereo amplifier with subwoofer output is a smart move. It powers your speakers and lets you connect a subwoofer for deeper bass. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best stereo amplifiers with subwoofer output. Check the description below for links to each best stereo amplifier with subwoofer output. Let's get started. 1. Pyle 500W 4-channel Karaoke Bluetooth Amplifier, PTA44BT. Let's start with a fun one. The Pyle PTA44BT is more than just a stereo amp. It's part amplifier, part karaoke machine, and part all-in-one home receiver. It pushes out 500 watts of peak power across 4 channels. On top of that, you get an RCA subwoofer output, which is the key feature we're looking for here. That means you can power 4 speakers and still run a sub to get that low-end punch. Now here's where it gets interesting. This amp has 2 microphone inputs with echo control. That makes it perfect for karaoke nights, family parties, or even small events. It also has a talkover button. Whenever you press it, the music volume drops so your voice stands out clearly. It sounds like a small feature, but it's really useful. Connectivity is another big plus. You've got Bluetooth for streaming, USB, SD card, FM radio, and standard RCA inputs. Basically, whatever device you've got, this amp can probably connect to it. A remote is included too, so you can control it from across the room. So what's the catch? Well, it's not the most durable amp in the world. A few people have had units quit after a while. And while the sound is solid, it's not audiophile quality. But honestly, for under 100, it does a lot. Verdict: best for families or budget buyers who want a home amplifier with subwoofer output that also works for karaoke and casual parties.
2. Fosi Audio BT30D Pro 2.1 Subwoofer Amplifier. Next up, the Fosi Audio BT30D Pro. If you've ever wished you had more control over your bass, this is the one to look at. It's a compact 2.1 mini-amp with subwoofer output, but it doesn't mess around. It pushes 165 watts to each main channel, and another 350 watts to your subwoofer. The standout feature here is the dedicated subwoofer controls. You get one knob for subwoofer volume and another for subwoofer frequency. That's something you don't see on many amps in this price range. With these controls, you can dial in the bass exactly how you like it. Want tight, punchy bass for music? Easy. Want deep, floor-shaking rumble for movies? Just turn the knob. It's also got Bluetooth 5.0, and the connection is rock solid, up to about 50 feet. Pair it with your phone, tablet, or laptop, and you're good to go. If you prefer wired setups, RCA inputs are there as well. The build is sturdy with an all-metal body, and it looks sleek enough to sit on a desk or shelf. 3. AIYIMA A07 Premium TPA 3255 Stereo Amplifier. The AIYIMA A07 is what I'd call the audiophile budget pick. It's a compact 2-channel amplifier with subwoofer output, but don't underestimate it. It's built around the Texas Instruments TPA 3255 chip, which delivers up to 300 watts per channel with very low distortion. This amp includes a subwoofer pre-out. That means you can connect an active subwoofer or even pair it with a separate subwoofer amplifier for AV receivers. The flexibility here makes it perfect if you want a simple 2.1 system or if you're planning to expand your setup later. Sound is the real star. Users rave about how clean and detailed it is. No background hiss, no distortion, just pure, natural sound. Pair it with decent bookshelf speakers and you'll hear details you probably missed before. If you're the kind of person who likes tweaking, the op-amp chips are swappable, so you can customize the sound profile. Inside, it's built with high-quality parts like ELA and AIYIMA capacitors, which are well known in audio circles. The A07 is also compact. It can sit on a desk for near-field listening or in a living room for a HiFi setup. 4. Pyle 750W 6-channel Bluetooth Amplifier, PTA62BT.5. Now let's go bigger. The Pyle PTA62BT.5 is a 6-channel amplifier with a whopping 750 watts of peak power. If you want to power multiple rooms, outdoor speakers, or just a huge living area, this one's for you. It includes a subwoofer output, so you still get that extra bass. On top of that, you get Bluetooth streaming, USB, SD card, FM radio, and 2 microphone inputs with echo. The talkover feature is here as well, so you can use it for karaoke or announcements. Customers love that it can handle multiple zones at once. If you've got a big home or want to run speakers in different rooms, this makes it simple. The EQ knobs give you control, and the remote lets you adjust things without walking over. Of course, it's not perfect. Bluetooth can be a bit inconsistent. Some users had flawless connections, others less so. A few reported issues with reliability over time. But many others say it's been a solid workhorse. At under $200, it's hard to find another 6-channel amplifier with subwoofer support at this power level.
5. Romicta Stereo Audio Amplifier, BT390A. This one is all about affordability. At under $50, it's the cheapest amp on the list, but it still gives you a subwoofer output. That makes it a standout for budget buyers. It offers 450 watts per channel peak and supports both passive speakers and active subs. That flexibility is rare at this price. Inputs are another strong point. You get Bluetooth 5.0, RCA, aux, USB, optical, and coaxial. For a small amp, it's surprisingly versatile. The sound is good for everyday use. Customers say it powers small speakers just fine and delivers clear audio for music or TV. The Bluetooth connection is quick and stable, and the included remote adds convenience. The only real downside is the FM tuner. Some people say reception is weak, while others don't use it at all. For most buyers, it's not a big deal. Verdict: best for anyone who wants the best amplifier with subwoofer output on a tight budget. Great for apartments, offices, or small rooms where you don't need massive power. Which stereo amplifier with subwoofer output should you buy? Want strong bass control and Bluetooth? Go with the Fosi BT30D Pro. Want clean hi-fi sound? Choose the AIYIMA A07. Need karaoke or multiple zones? The Pyle amps are your best bet. On a budget, grab the Romicta BT390A. The best stereo amplifier with subwoofer output depends on your space and your needs. Maybe you want a 2.1 mini-amp with subwoofer output for your desk. Maybe you need a Bluetooth amplifier with subwoofer output for movie nights. Or maybe you just want a budget amplifier with subwoofer output for home use. Whichever one you pick, you'll finally get deeper bass and cleaner sound in your setup, and that makes all the difference.